Hi, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC out here in Clark Road in Sarasota. At a client's house who unfortunately had some rats that ate up her liner. Got in behind the waterfall box and the liner there and chewed it all up. So here we are. I had another photo. I wish I'd gotten one earlier, but we were in a hurry to get this taken care of. But here we are out on the waterfall there. This is the one we're repairing now. We have it just about all back together again, replacing the liner, putting in gold label, sealing it all up real nice. We'll be foaming it in and everything. And the customer will be happy. We'll be all done with that here pretty soon. And then out front here, say hi to Kyle. This is Kyle number one. Yeah, and we'll be going out front. We have a job to do out front here also. We're going to be taking care of a fountain out front here. The motor went on the fountain, which I had been taking care of for quite a while now. And unfortunately, the slag from the water there, the mineral buildup and stuff got to it. And the motor finally went, but hey, it lasted her 8 years, so we can't complain about that. And then here's the next project here. After we get done fixing the leak in the pond waterfall, we'll be taking care of this. Thank God I have Kyle to help me take that bowl off. I don't think I could do it myself, but I'm putting a new motor in. There's a pedestal there that the frogs sit on that I repaired. Had the neck broke on it, so I ended up repairing that, re-cementing it. And this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC, and I hope everybody has a great day. Bye-bye.